Assalamu alaikum everybody, this is Farina Siddiqui. I'm talking from Banff, Canada, and I cannot encourage you enough to visit Banff once, at least once. We have visited this place during summer, during winter, during spring, during fall, and every single time we visited Banff never ceased to impress us. So it's amazing, it's beautiful. This is the main town area, Banff Avenue. It's a town, beautiful mountain town between the mountains, and it actually mesmerizes you, and you always say subhanallah. And I would encourage you to check the tours. It has accommodations for every budget, every wallet, and it has tour packages. If you can drive, if you can fly, you can find time. And you need at least 3 to 4 days to look around, and there are tons of activities here. There are national parkways you can drive, you can visit wildlife, you can see wildlife. We had 5 black bear and brown bear sighting at Jasper National Parkway. So please do visit Alberta, and do visit Rocky Mountains, Alberta, and keep me in your prayers. Inshallah, I will connect with you guys with more videos. But this is the beautiful town that actually made me record a video here to encourage all of you to visit here. Make time for your family, spend time with more time with your kids, especially during summer. If you cannot go out of Ontario, try to go north of Ontario for a day trip. Spend some time in a public park, picnic area, or any amusement area, whatever is feasible for your family. Spend time with your family, and there are tons of opportunities to explore without spending too much money. So affordable summer for your family. Remember that your family is yours to discover with places on Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's earth. Inshallah, keep writing to me for topic ideas. My email is contact@farinasiddiqui.ca. Assalamu alaikum.